Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change a BMW 3 Series headlight. This easy method allows you to replace your headlight bulb by accessing it through the wheel well, saving you time and effort by avoiding full headlight removal. You will need just a few common tools, like a flathead screwdriver and a jack. The entire process for both bulbs should take about 30 minutes. Let's get started. First, ensure your car is safely parked and the parking brake is engaged. Then, jack up the front of your BMW and remove the front wheel using a 17mm socket. This provides crucial access. Next, locate the small, removable access panel within the fender well, just forward of where the wheel was. Press down on its two tabs and carefully remove the panel. Behind it, you will see the circular access cover for the headlight bulb. Now, with the access panel removed, grab the circular headlight housing cover and rotate it counterclockwise to unseal it. Once open, you will see the bulb and its electrical connector. Gently pull the plug straight back to disconnect it from the bulb. Next, release the metal retaining clip or tabs that secure the bulb in place. With the clip disengaged, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from the headlight housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. Now it's time for the new bulb. Take your new H755-watt bulb and plug it into the electrical harness. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare fingers, as oils can cause premature failure. Carefully insert the new bulb into the headlight housing, ensuring its locating lugs align correctly. Secure it firmly with the retaining clip. Finally, replace the circular cover, the fender well panel, and reattach your wheel, torquing the lug nuts to 103 foot-pounds or 140 newton-meters. Test your new light, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.